Hello, here's Team 78. I'm Zoe. I'm going to show our Ansible playbooks and show the dynamic deployment happening. I will go through the playbooks as it's running. So we got two YAML script to store the variables. The MRC one is variables for instance, and we create for instance with 490 gigabyte volume. The other one is variables for key storing, setting up CodeDB and proxy environment. The instance setup YAML playbook have four rows. The OpenStack command is pipe environment, and the OpenStack volume is to deploy the volume for the instance. The common security group is to set up security book on the MRC YAML. And the last one, OpenStack instance, is to create instance on MRC. The setup at one time playbook is to realize the one-click deployment, and I will run it now. So for the one-click, the first one is for all the instance, and there also have four rows: add proxy environment, add access its key, and install dependencies and mount the volumes. And for the website instance, we pull down the files on the GitHub for the further use. The next step is to deploy the CouchDB and set up the cluster by Docker container. And this setup will link CouchDB database and Mastodon instance together. After the CouchDB has been set up, we will run Docker Compose to activate the backend as a frontend. The last step is to activate the Mastodon harvest. Once the playbook finish, I will show our overview. I will show the overview of our CouchDB page. So run the Python application shows that the Mastodon harvester is working. And I will show our CouchDB page. Here is our CouchDB page. The data history is historical Twitter file, and the Mastodon is Mastodon harvest. And the other is MapReduce result, for example, the sentimental analysis. So here is the result of our sentimental analysis. And we can have a view of this for different geo information. And here is the result of it. The next video, we will introduce our scenarios and show our front end. Thank you for your listening.